Welcome to this video on the path to becoming a dentist. We will explore the rigorous education, the daily reality, and the professional future of one of America's most trusted careers. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Paths series. Dentistry has a fascinating history. From ancient healers to modern specialists, it remains one of the longest-standing professional disciplines in the healthcare field. Our journey begins in ancient times. Hesire, an Egyptian physician from 2600 BC, is recognized as the world's first dentist. Ancient Romans also contributed with early hygiene tools like tooth cleaning powders. During the Middle Ages, the barber-surgeon era emerged. When monks were forbidden from surgery, barbers stepped in to perform extractions and minor procedures, blending craft with early medical practice. The 19th century brought professionalization. 1840 saw the first dental college in Baltimore, followed by the 1859 founding of the American Dental Association, which standardized ethics and education. Becoming a dentist is an educational odyssey. It is a multi-year commitment requiring academic excellence, intense hands-on training, and a lifelong dedication to learning. It starts with undergraduate studies. Students must build a strong foundation in biology, chemistry, biochemistry, and physics. A GPA above 3.5 is typical for competitive applicants. The Dental Admission Test, or DAT, is a crucial milestone. It assesses scientific knowledge and spatial perception, skills vital for dental procedures. Competitive scores range from 19 to 22. Dental school consists of 4 intense years. The first 2 years focus on lectures and lab simulations, while the final 2 involve clinical rotations and treating patients under supervision. You may see either a DDS or DMD degree. Both stand for Doctor of Dental Surgery or Doctor of Dental Medicine, respectively. They are identical in training and curriculum. The difference is just a name. To practice, you must graduate from an accredited school, pass the national boards, and demonstrate clinical competency through state or regional licensing exams. Beyond school, what is the daily reality? It's a mix of clinical precision, communication, leading a team, and managing a business. A dentist's work centers on 3 pillars: diagnosing oral conditions, planning comprehensive treatments, and performing procedures like fillings, crowns, and implants with care. A dentist is not alone. The office team includes hygienists for preventive care, assistants for clinical support and sterilization, and administrators who manage operations. Finally, the career is physically and mentally demanding. Sustained precision and posture are key, which is why ergonomics is emphasized to ensure a long, healthy career. Running a practice is as much about business as it is about clinical care. Success relies on balancing operations, such as payroll and supplies, with financial management and strategic marketing. Dentistry offers exceptional career stability. This outlook is driven by favorable demographics, an increasing public focus on health, and a significant wave of retiring practitioners. Demand for dental care is rising due to 3 key factors: a larger aging population, growing medical evidence linking oral health to systemic conditions, and longer natural tooth retention. Employment trends are very strong. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects significant job growth for dentists, far exceeding the average for all occupations. While education costs are high, dentistry offers strong earning potential. Most dentists achieve substantial financial returns within their first 10 to 15 years of practice. The field is constantly evolving. Beyond general practice, there are 9 recognized dental specialties, and new innovations are continually transforming how patient care is delivered. The 9 recognized specialties include fields like orthodontics for alignment, oral surgery for complex procedures, and pediatric dentistry, among others, each requiring focused postgraduate training. Pediatric dentistry is a particularly dynamic field. It has seen a significant increase in female practitioners, reflecting broader workforce shifts and changing professional norms. Technological advancements are revolutionizing the office. Tools like 3D printing, cone beam imaging, and AI-assisted diagnostics allow for higher precision and streamlined workflows. Why choose this career? For the right individual, dentistry provides a unique combination of professional independence, financial security, and the chance to make a lasting personal impact. Professionally, dentists enjoy high levels of autonomy. They control their work environment and schedules, and they consistently rank among the most trusted professionals in society. On a personal level, the work is incredibly rewarding. Dentists get to combine technical precision, art, and empathy to improve a patient's quality of life every single day. The path also has its challenges. Managing patient anxiety, navigating competitive academic requirements, and handling the pressures of clinical work demand high levels of resilience. Ultimately, dentistry is a career for those driven by precision and a desire to serve. It is a demanding road, but one that leads to deep professional fulfillment. Looking ahead, the future of the profession involves AI integration, digital office management, evolving workforce structures, and a more holistic approach to patient health.